Let's start off with the next thing is about the models. So models has category, post and users. If I go to my localhost or PHP my admin, so this is my PHP admin which has the details of it. I would like to share it again with you. It has categories, post and users. So in the similar way we have it for the model. So model has like all these contents over here. So we will do one thing. We'll create an initializer method for each one of them. So once in this class, we're going to create an initializer method which will help in binding the details of the model. So my comment I'm going to mention initializer method for model. So what is this method all about? So that we'll check it out. First of all, for categories.php, I'll mention public function initialize, and inside initialize I'm going to say that each ID, like each category has many posts and it is being developed by like post and categories table. So we have a post ID, okay, and we also have a category ID. Like each one of them has a you can say a primary key. So here I will mention that with the help of has many function, which is the PHQL function. So has many ID post and categories ID. Okay, so initializer function of categories has been done. Okay, so it has been completed. Now let's go on to our post. So in the post we have an initializer method, so that I'll do at the end of the class in the similar way. Initializer method. This initializer method is actually being done to focus on one thing, that if any kind of referential integrity or constraints are there, they can be easily maintained over here. So here I'll say initializer method for model, and the function will be public function initialize. Here I'll see two things. First of all, we have post table. Post table is connected to both users as well as categories, as we have seen in the previous chapters. So I'll just say which ID belongs to which one. So that is done with the help of function belongs to. So belongs to will give the complete picture. This like $this belongs to, and the function, sorry, just need to mention over here, that is users ID, users and ID. And next is $this belongs to categories ID, categories ID and categories and ID. Well, that's all. So we are done with the post. So it says that users ID on post table is belonging to ID of the users table. Categories ID over here. Check out for the spelling. Categories. So categories ID in categories belongs to ID of the categories table. So we have done for post. So in the similar way we'll do for users. So inside the users we'll again create a initializer method for the model. So here I say Only one thing which is to be initialized is that it has like one ID, that one user ID has many posts and many categories. So that is done with the function has many. So again, I'll say public function initialize. Here I'll mention $this has many. First parameter will be the parameter in users, that is ID, which is a primary key. Second will be the table name. Second and third parameters will be the table names and whatever it is to be done. And the third parameter includes the attribute which is present in this particular table name. So it says that one user has many posts, and that particular post has also many categories. So it can be like one category can have many posts and one user can have many posts. In the similar way, one user can have n number of categories in it. So this kind of referential integrity constraint is being done with the help of initializer method. So we have created the initializer method with respect to the models. Let's move on to the next chapter, like how to customize ourselves in views, and so that we'll come with an overall picture of how our application looks.